Our career expos are designed to help high school students explore career opportunities and to determine what they might be interested in, as well as learning that those opportunities actually do exist in our local area. The purpose of the event today is to introduce kids to careers that they might not have understood before or maybe didn't know that much detail about. So by having these sessions, they can talk to instructors about what's going on, what actually they would be doing in a particular field, and then they can evaluate if that's something that they're interested in. The students will go from area to area and work on hands-on applications of these skills. So not only are they hearing about what the skills are, they're actually getting to do some of it. There's some simulated welding, there's some CNC machining, they're seeing some of the big farm equipment and understanding about operating that. So it's a way to take it from just something that they've heard about or read about in a book to actual experience that they can feel and see for themselves.
Favorite part about the day is learning the new things that you didn't think you would get to learn. I mean, there's a lot more action that's going on. For example, the welding, you got to use a plasma cutter and cut some metal out with it, do different shapes. The plastic, you got to make like little keychains with your initials on them.
I'd recommend this just because you get to learn a lot from what's here and the local businesses that are here. Not only like, I know Crop Services is here and Precision Implement. It's a lot more than what I thought MCC had to offer. Today we've seen like a water jet being used, a CNC machine. We got to use a plasma cutter and make, different shapes or stuff that we wanted to make, so it's been a really fun experience.
Junior Achievement connects students with businesses, and our goal and our mission is to inspire and prepare young people to succeed in the global economy. Well, we are inspiring them today to look at the different career options that are available in the areas that we're highlighting. And we're also preparing them because we're saying to them, if you're interested in this, these are some career paths you might want to consider. These are the kinds of things you'll need to learn in terms of training, and these are the kinds of opportunities that will be available when you're out. When you take these kinds of expos that we're doing and overlay the just day-to-day JA experience that students receive from kindergarten through 12th grade, it provides a good package of helping students understand how their local personal economy works and builds their financial literacy, all the way up to understanding how the global economy works, how they tap into it, how they are affected by it, and how they can affect it. So in total, Junior Achievement works with students to help them know that when they get out into the work world, that they will be prepared for success.
Monsanto really believes that the youth are extremely important to the future of science, especially being a company that works in research and development. And we recognize that there's going to be a generation gap between really the baby boomer generation, who are all going to start retiring, who have all these skills, and then the new students coming in. And we recognize that science is changing and the world is changing, and there's a lot of new fields out there that we really need to get students interested in, caring about, excited about.
I think it's good for the students to see what's going on in industry, see what the different technologies there are here in town, so they can start seeing what they need to do as far as their education. There's things they need to continue to develop in their skills. They can get here right at MCC, and the opportunities that they could lead them to in the industries that are here in Muscatine.
The immediate outcome is that students have more knowledge, and they have more knowledge of what careers are available and what's actually involved with those careers. But the ultimate outcome is that students are prepared and are learning to have a career that is meaningful and sustainable throughout their lives. What that does is not only helps them with their success, but it helps the community. We're providing employers with workers and qualified workers, and in turn, that means that these students and ultimately these employees become good citizens. They know how to give back to their communities, and in turn the communities grow. So when we have students who are getting ready to enter the workforce, we want to make sure that they are prepared so that they can be successful and the effects can multiply. So that ultimately is the outcome, is to help the overall community and economy enhance and be the most it can be.